Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to link a bank account to your PayPal. So make sure that you have your PayPal account downloaded to your phone for an easier access. So from here, all you have to do is to tap wallet that you can see on the bottom right corner of your phone. And then you will see this bank and cards and the plus sign on the right side. So tap on it and you can add to your wallet your banks or your debit and credit card. So let's begin with the banks. Tap on the banks and you will be headed to the website of PayPal because they have added some features for faster transactions. So in here, all you have to do is to enter your email or your mobile number and your password. And then you can now link your bank account by writing your bank name, your bank code, and your account number. And then once you're done, just click link your bank and be sure to double check your account number before sending it. Now, for you to add a debit or a credit card, same process, tap the plus button and tap debit or credit card. Then you can now write here your card number, or the easiest way is to scan your card. So you can hold your card in front of your phone, or if it's not working, then you can just enter your card details in here. And then it will appear on the wall on your PayPal account. You can check your banking information if it was saved or not. So basically, that's the process of adding a bank account or your cards to your PayPal. So if this helps, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates to come. Thanks for watching.